Number 1, Komatsu PC4000 Power and Precision. The Komatsu PC4000 packs a punch with its 1,275 HP engine and 22 M3 shovel capacity, making it a key player in any mining operation. The customizable design and durability engineered into this machine ensure it stands up to the toughest conditions. Perfectly paired with 150-240 scene trucks, it's all about maximizing efficiency and reducing costs. Number 2. Wow, the Liebherr Nacta 84 is an absolute giant in the world of heavy machinery. With a powerful diesel engine pumping out 400-500 horsepower, this hydraulic excavator can handle the toughest jobs in mining and large-scale construction. Its massive 100-ton operating weight and 6.5 cubic meter bucket capacity make it perfect for moving tons of material in a single scoop. Number 3, Cinnabogan 6140. When it comes to heavy lifting, the Cinnabogan 6140 EHD doesn't disappoint. With its 140T maximum load capacity and 24T across a 20mm radius, this duty cycle crane is built for serious work. Whether you're handling clamshells, dragline buckets, or diaphragm wall grabs, the robust boom and powerful engine ensures smooth and efficient operation. Number 4, GMK 5252 L1. For those who demand the best in crane technology, the GMK 5252 L1 is your answer. With a main boom reaching up to 70 meters and a Mercedes-Benz engine delivering 390 kilo of power, this crane is built for the toughest jobs. Its compact design, with an overall length of just 15.3 meters, makes it incredibly versatile on any job site. Add in the cutting-edge CCS, crane control system, and tiltable superstructure cab, and you've got a machine that not only performs but excels in every aspect. Mind-blowing. These Polish foresters are conquering slopes like mountain goats with their John Deere 1470E and 1210G. Even a hint of moisture can turn this into a slip and slide. But these machines are dancing on the edge. And how cool is it to see a harvester and forwarder working side by side? It's like a forestry dream team. If this Scania R540 ain't the best truck on the block, I don't know what is. That long wooden body is like a catwalk for timber, and the Palfinger crane is ready to strike a pose. But this ain't just a show pony. This truck is ready to work. Need to stack timber? Check. Want a comfortable cabin? You got it. Craving a superb driving experience? Absolutely. This Scania R540 delivers on all fronts, turning your workday into a joyride. Honestly, anyone would be proud to call this machine their own. This video took my breath away. The sheer beauty of the Black Forest is on full display here. And the way they capture the timber transport process is just mesmerizing. Those massive trees, the skilled driver, the stunning scenery. It's like a symphony of nature and human ingenuity. I could honestly watch this on repeat all day long. He was lucky to jump out of the excavator just before it tipped over. Lady Luck was definitely on his side. Like my grandpa dropped his denture in his soup. Looks like this was done on purpose, not just an accidental truck tire blowout. Pulling an excavator out of ice-cold water? That's one tough job. Hope they succeed. Summoning a monster from its slumber is no easy feat, especially when it stubbornly wants to keep sleeping. What a daunting task. Watch and learn. This is how you make sure the truck is completely empty. Forgetting to lower the dump truck bed? This driver must have a goldfish brain. This job can't be rushed. What a tough day for this car. First submerged and now splashed by a passing truck. The way the driver manages those massive loads shows real expertise. The way he uses the log on the ground to lift the larger one is amazing. Like a kid who loves playing in the rain, this truck joyfully splashes through the puddle. Don't be fooled by their size. These tiny cars have incredible strength and can lift up even the heaviest of... Even if you stop at a red light, bad luck seems to find you another way. Red truly symbolizes danger. So this is how they inflate car tires. Unreal. The excavator is digging into that sand cliff with such power and control. Truly a sight to see. Just as it crossed the bridge, this Komatsu seemed eager to get off, tripping right away. Luckily, no one was hurt. Oh my god, one wrong move led to an unforeseeable accident. Thankfully, the driver is safe. The #1 driver skills have taken this truck into the world record books for long jumps. That truck found itself quite the unexpected parking spot. Luckily, no one was hurt when the ground gave way. Number 5, Pond Sea Scorpion King. What an impressive piece of machinery. The Pond C Scorpion King's advanced crane and frame design provide unparalleled stability and visibility, even in the most challenging environments. The powerful engine and customizable options make this harvester a top contender for any forestry task. It's no wonder it's the best-selling machine in its category. Number 6, Luffing Tower Crane CTL 1666. Need a crane that can handle the big jobs? Look no further than the CTL 1666. This beast can lift up to 66 tons and still manage 16 tons at the max jib length of 75 meters. With Terex Power Plus and PowerMatch technology, it's not just about brute force. This crane offers efficiency and control like no other. Whether you're working on skyscrapers or large-scale infrastructure, the CTL 1666 is your go-to crane. Number 7, the Jaipuric RM131 FDR Giga is a powerhouse in quarry operations. With a throughput of up to 400 TH and a massive GIPO pulverizer, it's designed to crush even the most challenging materials with ease. The absence of electric components adds to its durability, making it ideal for tough environments. A top-notch choice for high-quality limestone processing. Number 8, the A340-500 was a true workhorse for ultra-long-haul flights. With a maximum takeoff weight of 380 tons and a range of 90,200 nautical miles in its IGW version, it was a game-changer for airlines like Emirates and Singapore Airlines. The engineering behind this plane was remarkable. From its powerful engines to its spacious cabin, every detail was crafted for those marathon flights across the globe. Though it's no longer in the skies, the A340-500's impact on aviation is undeniable. Number 9. Wow, the Liebherr LB44 is a monster in the drilling world. This rig can dig up to 120 meters deep with ease, thanks to its 510 kN of torque. And let's talk about that 677 horsepower V8 engine. This machine is all about power and precision. Whether you're drilling in challenging terrains or working on high-profile projects, the LB44 won't let you down. This is serious machinery for serious work. Number 10, the Kairops 16T is a true marvel of engineering from the 60s and 70s. With its electric drive system powered by wind rotor motors, this pedestal crane can handle heavy lifting with precision. The 4-speed control, managed by adjusting external resistances, makes it a reliable choice even today. Witnessing these machines harvest timber is undeniably impressive. Their efficiency and precision are truly remarkable. It sparks a curiosity in me to experience operating one firsthand. I wonder if anyone else shares the sentiment. Get ready to be amazed. We're about to show you the raw power and breathtaking beauty of logging Ohio hardwoods. This video will leave you in awe of the men and machines that bring these giants to the ground. Heart-stopping moment. That UAZ was playing a dangerous game, riding that car's bumper uphill. Imagine the car stalls. It's a truck sandwich. No brakes in the world could stop that slide. Say goodbye to those pesky stumps. The SP5014 TRX stump grinder is here to save the day. It's like a superhero for your yard, swooping in to grind those stumps into oblivion. It's fast, it's fun, and it'll leave you wondering why you ever bothered with a shovel. Stump removal has never been so entertaining. Safety is always the top priority, but even the best can encounter unexpected situations. This video is a prime example of that. A small mistake during the tree felling process led to a dangerous situation. Fortunately, the logger reacted in time and avoided an accident. This is a reminder that no matter how experienced we are, we need to always be vigilant and keep learning. I am completely captivated by this machine. Watching this StyleCNC CNC lathe work, I feel like I'm watching an artistic performance. Its precision and speed are amazing. The wood-turning blades move like a dancer, creating perfect products quickly. I'm really excited about it. Number 15. Meet the Ripsaw EV2, where high-end luxury meets battlefield readiness. This isn't just any tank. It's equipped with a robust 600 HP engine and a sophisticated 12-inch suspension for superior mobility. Each EV2 is crafted with precision, taking around 3,500 hours to complete. It's designed for those who demand both style and performance. Whether on the field or off-road, truly a standout in the world of military vehicles. Number 16, Lagoon Crawler X is the ultimate in heavy-duty performance. The torque jump to 18,000 Nm per wheel and the switch to larger 28 Windsor 26 tires with 4-inch treads are just mind-blowing. The 55% increase in surface area doesn't just add stability, it redefines it. Whether it's muddy, uneven terrain, or anything in between, this machine has got you covered. Number 17, the Doosan DL250 is a powerhouse in the world of heavy machinery. With a massive operating weight of 31.12 tons and a bucket capacity of 5.4 mr, this beast can handle any job with ease. Powered by the DC-13 engine delivering 294 kilobars at 2,100 RPM, it's built for serious work. Whether you're lifting, digging, or loading, the DL550's strength and efficiency are unmatched. Number 18, introducing the Bahamas SB4504, a top performer in road maintenance and sweeping. With a 4.6 meter broom width and the ability to work at a 35-degree angle, it delivers thorough cleaning. Powered by a 285 kilobar Volvo TAD 1371 engine and meeting EU Stage 4 emission standards, this 2017 model offers both power and environmental compliance. A great choice for large-scale and efficient cleaning needs. Number 19, the Mastenbrook 3020 is a trenching marvel. Featuring dual-speed motors, it provides impressive torque and efficiency, even in heavy and challenging soils. The machine's ability to adjust trench depth from 0.3 mm to 2.2 mm with an option for 3 mm, and its wide range of trench widths make it incredibly versatile. The hydraulic backfill hopper and pivoting pipe box add to its functionality. Number 20, Hadrian X is setting new standards for home building. With its powerful crane arm and the ability to construct up to 10 houses in no time, it's a game changer for large-scale residential construction. Launched in 2015 and upgraded recently, it's an impressive feat of robotics and engineering. Number 21, the Oversize module lifter is built to impress with its smart features. The soft suspension feet and articulating ball joint cups provide incredible flexibility for panel handling, making alignment adjustments easy. The OMH40's powered rotation and display screen are great for precise operations, while the OMH30 offers robust performance with its battery-powered design. This lifter combines safety, efficiency, and user convenience perfectly. Number 22, introducing the Ravo R5, the world's top maxi-compact sweeper. With over 12,000 units sold, it's renowned for its durability and ease of use. This sweeper boasts an industry-best compaction rate and a robust brush system that requires minimal maintenance. With a speedy 72 km/h transit speed and exceptional maneuverability, it's perfect for tight spaces and large areas alike. Plus, its automatic ride height system ensures consistent performance. Number 23, the Aljon 525 packs a punch with 543 HP and can handle up to 1,200 tons per day. It's perfect for landfills needing robust machinery without breaking the bank. With a weight range of 110,000 to 150,000 on LBs and different wheel options for better maneuverability, this model is both powerful and flexible. The bonus of no regeneration or DPF requirements makes it a low-maintenance choice. Impressive value for money. Timber! And timber again! This guy's got the trees running scared. 5 down in 3 minutes? That's faster than I can eat a slice of pizza. And he makes it look so easy. It's like he's dancing with the forest. Wow, just wow. The Highlander HL20-1 is an absolute beast. This machine is a game changer for anyone working in challenging terrain. It's like a mountain goat on steroids, effortlessly navigating steep slopes and uneven ground. The cabin is so comfortable and the visibility is amazing, you could spend all day in there. And the crane and harvesting head, they're like a surgeon's scalpel, precise and efficient. The HL20-1 is a true marvel of engineering, and it's going to revolutionize the forestry industry. Timber harvesting in the snow? Sounds like a recipe for frostbite and misery, right? Wrong. With the Kesla 12 MDH trailer and Kesla 305 T-loader, it's more like a winter wonderland adventure. You'll be gliding through the snow, flexing your muscles with those heavy logs, and feeling like a king in your cozy cabin. Who knew work could be this much fun? Say goodbye to bark-covered logs and hello to the MEBO RSLH 1200. This debarking machine is so good, it'll make you want to hug a tree after it's been debarked, of course. It tackles logs up to 1.2 meters thick and 5 meters long like a champ. The remote control is the cherry on top, and the adjustable knives and hydraulic pressure are the sprinkles. Okay, it's a bit pricey at $125,000, but hey, good things come at a cost. All right, everyone, we've got a magnificent oak here, but let's talk about the real star of the show, the LKT-81 Turbo. Can you believe this machine can haul a whopping 12 tons? This oak is practically begging to be moved by this powerhouse. Who else is itching to hop in the driver's seat and feel the rumble of that engine? Cutting cliffs with a Kobelco SK200 excavator in a sand mine. This operator's skill is incredible. Sensing a landslide with just gut feel is truly admirable. Stay safe. The process of pulling this excavator up was more demanding than it looks. The Hyundai synced perfectly with the supervisor to pull off the rescue. Oh my gosh, this has to be the most heart-stopping moment of the day. Thank goodness Lady Luck was on their side and kept them safe after that horrifying incident. This is the worst nightmare when lifting heavy objects. Crane tipping while hoisting a Christmas tree. Luckily, everyone is safe. Ouch! Amazing power, Cat. Among the most risky skills, rock breaking is a major challenge for any excavator operator, ranking in the top 10. One excavator pushing while the other jackhammered the base was absolutely intense. The operators were fearless, or at least they acted that way, until everything was done and we could finally exhale. What a fun process to witness. The K700 tractor worked wonders with its astonishing terrain rescue capabilities. It pulled its trapped teammate from the mud quickly and efficiently. This tractor's power is truly admirable. Getting around a construction site can be tricky, especially when you're also unloading. Hopefully the driver's fine. Such tense moments as the CAT 320 D2L excavator goes down a steep incline. It's one of the most hazardous tasks, yet the operator looks like they're having the time of their life. The ZL135 easily navigates the roughest terrain thanks to its 8-wheel drive. While it looks risky to us, the driver's expertise makes it seem like a walk in the park. This is what happens when you take a corner too fast with a trailer full of big bales. The Menzi Muck M545 with the power of a 20-ton excavator, despite weighing 10.7 tons, is an engineering marvel. But the operator's courage to handle it on that extreme slope is just amazing. Tricky recovery on Highway 270, west of Hot Springs, Arkansas. An old Kenworth log truck tipped and got stuck in a curve, blocking the road for 35-40 minutes. With such a heavy load, it's no wonder the driver struggled to get the truck uphill. He did an impressive job as a pro. Number 24, Light Max, Power Max, and All Round Max Agrotechnic. Sieber's Light Max, Power Max, and All Round Max are revolutionizing hay handling. These new models bring advanced technology and customer-driven improvements. The Light Max and Power Max are perfect for maneuvering on steep slopes with their lightweight design. For handling heavier fodder and flatter ground, the All Round Max features a wider hydraulic conveyor belt and optimized feeding system. These machines represent the cutting edge of agricultural innovation for alpine farmers. Number 25, the Posch Spaltfix S360 is a real beast in log splitting. It handles logs up to 13.78 inches in diameter and can split them into 2, 4, 6, or even 8 pieces in one go. With an adjustable cutting length from 20 to 50 cm, it's versatile for various log sizes. The hydraulic feed and the angled conveyor belt make the process smooth and efficient, even for smaller diameters. Plus, it's super easy to operate with the one-hand joystick control. Perfect for high-performance wood processing. Number 26, explore the capabilities of the ES5T Innovator, a top-tier multi-purpose offshore vessel built in 2018. With a gross tonnage of 4,064 tons and a dead weight of 2,500 tons, this 81-meter-long vessel excels in various offshore operations. Operating under the Danish flag from Esbjerg, the ES5T Innovator combines strength and modern design to meet the demands of the offshore industry. Number 27, the Portafil MX6. Shredder is an efficient solution for all your shredding needs. With its compact size and powerful twin-shaft design, it handles wood, biomass, and commercial waste effortlessly. The hydraulically adjustable side combs and quick-change shafts add to its versatility. Measuring 2.3 millimeters in width, 5.8 millimeters in length, and 2.7 millimeters in height, it fits well in various setups. The large open engine area ensures easy maintenance. A great choice for reliable shredding. Number 28, Robot Handle Boston Dynamics Handle. Robot shows how robotics can transform warehousing. With its capacity to lift 13 kg stack items 160 centimeter high, it's a powerhouse of efficiency. The vision systems ensure accurate handling and placement of goods, paving the way for more automated and precise warehouse operations. It's amazing to think about a future where warehouses are managed by a fleet of these robots. Number 29, meet the Sampo Rosenlu Comia C12, designed to tackle the toughest harvesting tasks with ease. This large straw walker harvester features a 5.7 meter cutting header, a 7,600 liter grain tank, and a 300 HP AGCO power engine. With an unloading speed of 100 Ellison and 6 straw walkers, efficiency is guaranteed. The modern Avra cab ensures operator comfort, making it perfect for extended working hours. This is one impressive piece of machinery. Number 30, the Deutz Fair 9340 TTB Agrotron Euro 3 sets a new standard in high horsepower tractors. With its 7.8-liter Deutz engine and 2-stage turbocharging, it offers incredible performance while optimizing fuel consumption. The tractor's design focuses on ease of use and efficiency, making it a fantastic choice for farmers and contractors who need reliable, high-performance equipment. The Norwood Portamill PM14 is a game changer. It's incredibly innovative, transforming your chainsaw and ladder into a portable sawmill. Its Its compact design and easy setup make it incredibly versatile, allowing you to mill lumber wherever you are. Whether you're deep in the woods or in your backyard, the Portamill PM14 opens up a world of exciting and creative DIY projects. It's a must-have for anyone who loves working with wood. With an axe in hand, you'll get a bundle of firewood, but with this machine in hand, an entire woodpile will be yours. This firewood system is simply put, efficient. It can handle even large logs up to 300 millimeters and turn them into firewood in the blink of an eye. With it, splitting wood becomes a true recreational activity. Okay guys, let's talk about something that gets my heart racing. Seriously, I've always dreamed of getting my hands on one of these bad boys. Imagine this, felling a tree in the blink of an eye, slicing it into perfect pieces, the roar of the chainsaw, the crisp snap of the wood fibers. It's pure adrenaline. Buckle up, folks. We've got a showdown brewing. It's M923 versus a stump. Yep, you heard that right. A stump. Who do you think will come out on top in this epic battle? Wow. Safety first, and sometimes that means bringing out the big toys. Recently, I had the opportunity to witness an impressive road safety operation. A powerful Fendt 942 Vario, equipped with a reversing device, was deployed to handle the situation. Alongside it, a wood chipper and a Volvo wheel excavator were used to remove fallen and dangerous roadside trees. A series of hurricanes had left many trees uprooted and damaged, and they needed to be cleared before they caused any harm or obstructed traffic. It was great to see technology and skill being used to protect the community. Efficiency meets precision. The LT70 isn't just a sawmill, it's a profit-maximizing machine. Thin curve technology means more lumber, less waste. From manual to super hydraulic handling, plus AccuSet or PLC controls, it's adaptable to any operation. And Lube Miser? That's the cherry on top, keeping your blades clean and sharp for the long haul. If you're serious about sawing, the LT70 is the real deal. Remarkably, Hurricane Sandy toppled this tree, yet miraculously, no casualties occurred. We owe nature a debt of gratitude for its leniency towards humanity. Scaling a 220-foot fir tree and felling it? That's not just brave, it's borderline insane. This isn't your everyday job. It takes nerves of steel, mad skills, and a whole lot of grit. Hats off to these folks who literally risk life and limb to keep our safe. If you're looking for precision and power in a compact package, look no further. This little wonder, the TMK 200, is a game changer for small-scale forestry operations. It's a cutter head that punches well above its weight, effortlessly handling trees up to 200 millimeters in diameter. Think of it as a surgical scalpel for your mini excavator or skid steer, making clearing and thinning a breeze. Can you believe the way this thing eats trees? It's the Vermeer BC 2000, and it's a wood chipping machine on steroids. 147 kilowatts of power, 149 cubic meters per hour, 510 millimeters output. It's mind-blowing. Tell me, have you ever seen anything like it? Isn't it both scary and awesome at the same time?
Chip the whole tree up.
Ever wondered how these machines turn massive logs into perfectly even planks? It's all thanks to this multi-blade sawing system. It slices through wood like butter, delivering consistent results every time. And the best part? The blades are interchangeable, so you can customize the thickness of your planks. Talk about versatility. The Kesla 40 LFE is a high-performance wood processor designed for seamless integration with tractors and timber trucks. Its impressive cutting capacity, coupled with its ease of installation, interchange, and transport makes it a standout choice for large-scale forestry operations. While the investment of $30,000 is significant, the Kesla 40 LFE's efficiency and productivity potential offer a compelling return on investment. Witness the mastery of Junie, a Finnish lumberjack, as he executes the shark-gill technique, a precision-focused method for controlled tree felling. By strategically notching the tree's back, this technique guides its fall, minimizing collateral damage. He also used a rope and pulley system to pull the tree down after cutting. This is an additional safety measure that allows for greater control over the direction of the tree fall. This instructional video is essential for anyone looking to enhance their tree felling skills and prioritize safety. Alright folks, today we're witnessing a clash of titans, the legendary Steel 090G versus the mighty McCulloch 797G. Both are absolute beasts when it comes to ripping through timber, but when the sawdust settles, who will win? The lesson here is clear. Always ensure the tailgate is open before overloading a dump trailer, particularly on sloped surfaces. This driver's job might be on the line. It's almost funny how the excavator ended up in its own trap. Such a goofy mistake to end the day on. You cannot underestimate the damage this method of lifting a wheel loader can do to your equipment. The consequences can be catastrophic. A different route would have been ideal. Clearly, this one caused more issues than anticipated. Braving extreme weather is no small feat, but the Siberia Ural 6 Series 6 trucks do it with ease. Their smooth glacier crossing showcases their incredible power. The way the John Deere 2000 excavator climbs onto the truck is incredible. It's a special skill, and it makes it look so easy. The excavator had quite an amazing swing today. This is crazy, a huge black fountain shooting out from a water tank under high pressure on the road. What an unbelievable sight. Seeing heavy trucks struggle in the sand dunes is nerve-wracking. Thankfully, the powerful cat came along and ensured the truck made it through safely. Today's adventure takes us underground with a heavy dump truck. Buckle up. A good trucker never pulls out before he gets his load off. Hitachi excavators on cliffs? That's some of the most dangerous work you can imagine. They tackle the peril with impressive skill and control. This is definitely a road that makes every driver wary when it starts snowing. Seeing that rock being lifted is nerve-wracking and impressive at the same time. The machine's capability and the driver's practice skills make it look seamless. Unbelievable. The giant ship smashed into the port, and the whole dock and cranes just vanished underwater in seconds. So relieved, no one was hurt and the cargo stayed intact. The 340/CL excavator came to the rescue, pulling 2 deer dozers out of the canal. Stuck? Not for long with that powerhouse. A testament to strong and steadfast friendship. Watching the Trekkel Arctic 880 with a 4,000 kg payload and YAMZ 534 engine tackle the snow so powerfully was incredible. It didn't even break a sweat. A spectacular plunge into the river led to 3 failed attempts before this road warrior got a helping hand. The Volvo L250G OptiShift showcasing its unique talents right here. Seeing the Massey Ferguson yank a tree stump out of the ground was thrilling. The way it just uprooted it was nothing short of spectacular. Number 13, Bombardier 4 and 15. With a max takeoff weight of nearly 20,000 km and a cruising speed of 359 km per h, the Bombardier 415 is built for tough missions. Its short takeoff and landing capabilities on both water and land set it apart from other firefighting aircraft. Equipped with the Honeywell EFS and Primus II systems, this plane delivers precision and efficiency. Whether it's fighting fires or providing disaster relief, the CL-415 is a true workhorse in the sky. Number 14, the TRT ESS Force 8 is a serious piece of equipment for heavy-duty transport. Its 8 axles with 45-degree steering on either side of straight ahead offer exceptional control and flexibility. The live, fully compensating hydraulic gooseneck and patented Quick Connect system are just the icing on the cake, making it easy to adapt to different load requirements. With an impressive deck length of 18.9 meters, this rig is built for the toughest jobs. Number 11, Yecco JF545. The future of tracked cranes is here with the Yecco JF45. This model offers an impressive max load of 15,500 kilonewton and can reach heights of up to 32.5 meters. The 30-meter radius allows for exceptional range and flexibility. Mounted on a self-propelled track vehicle, it's designed for optimal performance in challenging environments. Yecco is redefining what's possible in crane technology. Number 12, Mega MBD 100. If you're looking for a heavy-duty dump trailer that's both robust and versatile, the Mega Bottom Dump Trailer MBD 100 is your go-to. This rig model is perfect for construction and mining works, offering seamless integration into any 3D project with its detailed textures and high-resolution design. It's built for tough jobs and looks incredible in renders. What more could you ask for?